The Beoplay E8s are incredibly tiny, so tiny in fact that where do you have them? Bang & Olufsen's headphones tend to stand out from the crowd, and the new Beoplay E8 is of no exception. Right now, they are the closest thing to direct competition from Apple's Airpods. The E8s are totally wireless. They pack a decent amount of wireless battery and some of the best sound quality of any wireless headphones I have ever heard. Most importantly for some, the Beoplay E8s are tiny and very understated. You can't help but notice when someone around you is wearing a pair of Apple Airpods, but plug in a pair of these and most people will hardly notice. The case too is better than the competition. It's a sleek black pebble with a leather case that doubles as an extra battery pack. While the buds themselves will keep going for hours, the case provides an additional 4 hours of battery life. Of course, getting the buds back in their case is also quickly done thanks to magnets built into the inside. The companion app also works wonders. It offers easy presets and manual configuration that lets you tune sound based on the type of content that you are listening to. The app also uses new Bluetooth LE, which makes pairing the buds super easy. Another benefit with these versus some other wireless buds out there is that they have touch controls built right into the earbuds. You don't have to press any physical buttons here. You just pop them in and then touch the side of the bud. Volume is handled by pressing on the right or left earbud to turn the music up or turn it down. A standout feature of these E8s is transparency mode. If you tap the left bud, it will enable audio pass-through, which ensures that you can go about your business without having to take your earbuds out. The Beoplay E8s come in either black or charcoal sand color. The black ones are particularly good if you want something relatively discreet. While these wireless buds are definitely pricier than some other options out there, including Apple's own Airpods, they offer the best sound quality of the bunch. Connectivity is rock solid and the nifty touch-sensitive controls make them relatively easy to use. These buds are available right now from all good gadget stores.